Good day children. Today we will study about see and think what you are going to study today or what you are going to new know something new which you were not knowing in that much detail till now. It's a very interesting thing, and always when we understand or know something new, then we understand the imagination of God, and we all feel enthusiastic and have a feeling of excitement to know something new. So, actually, this is the see this. What is this? This is a fluid mosaic model of plasma liquid given by Singer and Nicole Wilson in 1972. Now you know, all of you know that what is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane found in animal cell as well as the plant cell. Everywhere you can find the plasma membrane, all types of cells. So plasma membrane is just like the covering of the cell. Inside the plasma membrane there is nucleus and the cytoplasm. So you know this much. But today we are focusing on the structure of plasma membrane. Now, what interesting thing is about the plasma membrane functions also, but actual thing is that you can see that it is a fluid mosaic model. Now, how it is? That is, you can see, just focus on this layer. Focus this layer. You can see if you focus this layer like this, that is, just see one. See this one. This is the hydrophilic phospholipid. I have written somewhere also, that is hydro. Yes, I have written. See this round black. This is hydrophilic head of phospholipid molecule, and this is this bluish lines I have drawn here. These are the hydrophobic. See here I have written hydrophobic tail of phospholipid molecule. Now hydrophilic word in itself says many things. Hydro means water, and philic means love. So see this, that this round, this has an affinity for water or inorganic things. No. And see this, this tails like, these are actually that is phospholipid. So what is this? This is the hydrophilic, means this round black is made of phosphoric acid like hydrophilic. That's why it is hydrophilic. Phosphoric and phospho, as a structure we are saying phospholipid. So this is made of phosphoric acid, and these tails from every this round structure, you can see two blue tails are emerging out. See here, this portion you can see blue tails. These tails are made of lipid. So together we call it phospholipid. Now this is, if I say, this is one layer, this is another layer. You are observing that hydrophobic and facing from two sides. Just concentrate here, this is the hydrophobic end. So hydrophobic end, and this is the hydrophilic end. So what happens, you can say that this is the hydrophobic end. So means what hydrophobic means hating water. Hydro is against water. Hydro means, you can say this is means against water, and phobic means hate. So what do you think? Does this portion, middle portion, hate water? Means this portion can be called as that the loving for the organic things, and this portion you can say that is the loving for the inorganic things. Now how now till now we have understood that it is a biphospholipid layer. Bi means two. We can write that this is a biphospholipid layer. This is the biphospho. I said write somewhere biphospho. Here to write biphospholipid layer. So I am writing here That is, it is a biphospholipid layer. Now biphospholipid layer, now you see this biphospholipid layer. Now see this, that is, there are, now you will be thinking that upper portion is like water loving or inorganic things loving, and in between that is water hitting. Now how water or any other inorganic thing like salts or minerals, that how they will pass through the plasma membrane? Actually, how they will pass through plasma membrane, this thing actually comes in the mind. So you see, you will find, you can observe the various proteins. So you can see that is the proteins. This protein is an intrinsic protein. As this protein, you can see this protein is crossing the whole plasma membrane. Means if this hand, just for a while, see, if this is a plasma membrane layer, and then I say, like I can tell you this, that this protein, if you think that this cap is a protein, so if this is the plasma membrane, you can see that this protein is traversing or spanning the whole layer. Means this protein, it is projecting outside the plasma membrane as well as inside the plasma membrane. Means it is on both sides. Now these protein molecules, they act as mediators for the transfer of any compound. Like see that it acts as the mediator for the transfer of any compound, because protein, structure of protein is special. It is made of amino acid. Amino acid, you can see the formula of amino acid, what it is, that it is NH2COOH. So amino acid has both the parts, where it can combine with organic and also can combine with the inorganic one, because you can see COOH acid also here. So see this. So these are the intrinsic protein which are responsible for the mediated transport, how the transport of water like such thing can occur. Now this, you can see this protein, you see that this protein is not traversing the whole length of plasma membrane. What is this? You can see this is a three-dimensional view. I have tried to show you. This is a three-dimensional view. Now this width, this protein is not able to pass through this width. And see this. Now you see this. This extrinsic protein means protein present on one side of the plasma membrane. Now here also you can see that some thin projections, like I have written branching carbohydrate portion of protein which acts as antigen. Means these some emerging things which you are observing. What are these? These are the lipids. So which are attached to the protein. They will act as what? They will act as the antigen, or they are the as an antenna catches a film. Previous days in the 90s, there were antennas in every house at the top of the house. There were antennas which were catching the signals for the TV. Even today also dish antenna, what is that? See this. So this as they are made of special CAMP etc. like glycogen type or glycolipids. You can see this is the glycolipid only attached to the phosphoric acid. So all these are helping in the acceptance that whether anything can enter or cannot enter. See this. So now this much you have known that how this movement occurs. This intrinsic protein. See, actually, this is a phospholipid layer. This much we have known. And one definition also can be called as that, like these extrinsic proteins and intrinsic proteins were defined as the protein icebergs floating in the sea of phospholipids. Protein like icebergs floating in the sea of phospholipids. Now see that. So how you see all the atoms What are these? Phosphoric acid, then the lipid. What are they? Actually they are made of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, all these things, atoms. Now atoms, they are in a little bit, I would say, sometimes jelly and sometimes solid state. Okay, so due to temperature and other chemical changes, there may be a variation from gel to solid. Now these atoms, how they are? They are just vibrating like this. They are not moving away. Actually they are in the solid state. They may be like this. They may be like this. They may be like moving like this. Understand? So this movement is possible. This movement is possible. They are not moving like this. They are not moving like this. Okay. So now this protein, in between, this is a phospholipid and this is also phospholipid, and in between there is an intrinsic protein. Now protein is also what happens, that it can move like this. Protein, like if it is a phosphoplasma membrane and if this is a protein, it can rotate like this. Now when anything is coming from somewhere and it has to go inside the cell, so with the protein, it is acting as the mediator, it will go like this. So this is also the way. So in this way, that is plasma membrane become a selectively permeable membrane. Now over selectively permeable is used. So I think that you have understood this well. So thank you children. Have a nice day. Functions I will tell you later on, diffusion, osmosis, so just have a look of this. I think very clearly now you can see this. So I want to thank you all and have a nice day, beautiful day with beautiful feelings. So thank you all.